I'm Ty with WTI, and I am wearing my Jessie Kidden sun protection shirt. The best thing about this shirt is that it combines style and functionality, making it an ideal choice for outdoor activities. The UPF 50 plus rating ensures high level protection against harmful UV rays. The long sleeves are designed to provide additional sun protection, and the quick dry feature adds a practical touch, allowing you to stay comfortable even if you encounter moisture or sweat during your outdoor endeavors. Another great thing about this shirt is that the fabric enhances breathability. This feature is especially beneficial for activities where temperature regulation is crucial. So if you prioritize sun protection, quick dry functionality, and stylish designs in your outdoor apparel, this shirt is an excellent addition to your wardrobe. And that's my point of view.